everybody. This is Deb from D&D Art Gallery. I hope you're all doing well today. Today I have a 16 by a 12 by 16 canvas that is a used canvas. I poured a black base coat over it, and I did that yesterday and let it dry, and then today I decided to put black around the corners and the edges. I'm going to be doing a pitcher pour. I have a measuring cup here, but it's really a pitcher pour, and I'm going to layer the paints in my pitcher, and I'm going to try and feather the paint onto the canvas to see if I can get a little bit different effect, and then move the paint around. And if I have any space that's not covered, the black will cover it, but we'll just see how it goes. I may cover the whole canvas. And today my colors are, I used the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, one part, and I used a half part of the DecoArt Americana Satin Enamel with that. Everything today does have Floetrol, 1-to-1 Floetrol with paint and GAC 800. My next color is Red Ochre from Artist Loft. My next color is Copper from Blick. And I also added a little bit of DecoArt Worn Penny Metallic in with that copper. And this color I made up with Fire Red Blick, and I added some green and some blue to it to make a burgundy color. And my last color is the Blick Turquoise. And today I am going to add some silicone, the spot-on silicone. I'm going to add, I think, 3 drops in all but the white. And give them a little stir. Okay, so let's start layering the paint, and I will start out with white. I'm going to try and give a good layer of white between my colors. Next I'll put burgundy. And I'm not going to worry about so much making it a whole layer, because I do want my paints to mix today. I'm going to put a nice layer of white in here now before I add the turquoise. I didn't talk about consistency. Let's show you the consistency here. Just a trace. I think I'll add a little more white now. And come back with the ochre. Burgundy. copper. A little more white. The turquoise. And I'll finish with just a little bit more white. I have quite a full cup here. Plenty of paint. Okay. What I think I'm going to do even is take a stir stick and even mix it a little bit more here and see what result we get from that. Okay, like I said, I'm going to try and feather this. And I'm just going to go right around here. Since I have some paint left, I'm going to put it on my edges. Use all my paint up. Okay. I can see I have a lot of cell action going on there. So I think I'm going to wait to torch, and I'm just going to work on spreading my paint out now. I'll have plenty of paint, so I'm going to cover the whole canvas. Get my next corner. Sit it down here for a moment and take a look at it. Get that corner over there. And come back and get the last corner. Okay, now I'm just going to take a look at it here. See if any of the edges need any help here. Any corners need covering. I like where the vivid turquoise is. That's pretty. I do have a little bit of muddy color in this, but hopefully the vivid turquoise and the ochre and that burgundy will make up for that. What I'm doing now is I want to bring those stripes a little bit more down into the middle. Take another look at it. And I will torch it. See what we get. Get our air bubbles up here. A lot of little cells coming up. I just love that turquoise. The turquoise with the white is just so vibrant. A lot of little cells coming up. Okay, I'm just gonna take a minute here and look at it and see what comes up. My favorite areas are right here, where that turquoise is vivid, and also right here. Some really cute little cells here, all in a row. A lot of little cells in here. It is unfortunate, I do have a little bit of this muddiness right here that I'd rather not be there, but just gonna try and maybe pour a little bit more off that end. See how I like it? Well, those cells really did grow. I will give it another little torch to see if I get any more air bubbles up. And I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Well, first, let me see here. Yeah, I'm going to use my tool and clean off the bottom. It's always something I like to do. Okay, now I'll bring you down for a close-up. Okay, bottom left corner. This is where I really like this turquoise, that burgundy, some of the white in there. And I love these cells. Lots of cell action going on here. These cells especially all in a row like that. The streaks, those are pretty. Upper right corner. It's the bottom right corner. So let me know what you think. The overall composition of it, I really do like. And again, I really like this corner right here. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified the next time I post a new video. And share also. Thank you for watching my video. And until next time, take care, everybody. Bye.